Free the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So now it's time to do the Walgreens must-do deals for next week. If you missed on my channel, I did post a second Walgreens haul earlier today with some new deals, some free deodorant, and a moneymaker scenario using the spend 20, get 5,000 points, combining it with a paper Catalina as well. So if you haven't checked that out, see if you are one of the two winners from my giveaway. That will be linked at the end of this video. I did post the winner on Instagram as well. So head over to my Instagram, see if you are one of the lucky winners. So for Walgreens, there are a lot of great deals going on next week and a new booster. So of course, I will go into all of those details for you guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Make sure you take a second and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so when I do post new videos, giveaways, or announce the winners, you guys will be notified so you won't miss out. So let's go ahead and dive into the new booster that is available for next week. Now, couple disclosures, every booster is not for every account. Some accounts will get it, some won't. Your booster may be different. So what you can do to find this booster, go to your coupon folder and just scroll through and see if you have it. Then you can also try clicking on the household tab, see if it's there. I found this on a computer. I don't think it was showing up on my phone. So that's another way that you can look for it. What this booster says is when you make 8 purchases and spend $10 per purchase, you will get back 8,000 points. So just a couple tips on this. I never really try to shoot for this because it would be using a lot of register rewards, a pretty decent out-of-pocket because you would have to do 8 transactions. You can do multiple transactions in a day or in a week. As you know, I went to Walgreens this week twice, did 2 transactions per trip. So that would have been already 4 purchases right there if I would have treated them as spend deals. So just like any other booster, it is a spend $10 booster for each purchase. So that means you cannot pay with points. You would have to use register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost, pay the rest cash out of pocket. So these boosters, I never really try for. If I hit them, I hit them. If I don't, I don't. Typically, I hit them just because of how much I shop at Walgreens when I do all my different hauls. But I still wanted to point this out to you. One of my subscribers, Marilyn, pointed it out for me. Thank you so much. She is so great. She always DMs me on Instagram and gives me little tidbits. So check your account. If you have it, definitely clip it. It is a sneak peek. So this, as you see, shows the valid dates when you look at it from a computer. On your cell phone, it won't show you. So this is going to start for the entire month of August. So you will have 4 weeks to get that completed, which is great. So this is the hot deal on Arm & Hammer. It finally came around. We have been getting a ton of buy one, get 2 free, buy one, get 1 free, things like that. This is the cheapest that you can get Arm & Hammer by far. So they're going to be on sale next week for $2.99. This is going to include the scent boosters and the power packs, as well as the liquid. So what you're going to do is grab one, whichever you'd like. There is a digital coupon coming for $1 off. We're also getting $1 off coupons in our Sunday Smart Source insert. So like I posted in my must-do CVS deals video, we are getting 4 inserts on Sunday. I highly recommend buying at least 1 newspaper, if not 2. But before you buy a newspaper, always make sure that you check inside the newspaper. Make sure you're getting all the inserts. I don't get Retail Me Not, and we're getting 2 Retail Me Not inserts. So what I did is I already purchased mine online. If you want to know where I purchased whole inserts or individually cut coupons or anything like that, just check the description box. There's tons of information for you. There's some newbie videos that I have on my channel, links listed below, as well as a video on Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, my printable breakdowns when I do my hauls. All of that information you can always find in the description box. So back to this deal. There's also a swag buck rebate for 43 swag bucks or 43 cents. So final cost grabbing one is going to be $1.56. And the swag buck rebate is on the Arm & Hammer liquid. I don't know if it works on anything else. So to get that swag buck rebate, I would recommend just grabbing one of the liquids. Final cost is $1.56. Amazing, amazing deal for some laundry soap. Pantene, we are getting a ton of digital coupons from the PG insert that came out last weekend. So typically how it works, the weekend that the PG insert comes out, we don't get any of them digital. The following weekend, they all become, or mostly all of them become digital coupons. So for Pantene, next week is $3.99, and when you buy 3, you're going to get a $3 register reward. We also have that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So grabbing 3 of them, it'll bring your total to $11.97. Use that digital coupon, you'll pay $6.97, get back a $3 register reward, making your final cost $3.97 for 3 or $1.33 each. Now, the better deal is definitely going to be at CVS, but if you don't have a CVS near you or you're pretty new to couponing and you don't have a bunch of CRTs, this is definitely still a great, great price point for some Pantene. Ajax, Suavitel, and Fabuloso. All going to be in the same deal, so you can pick whichever one you want. We do have a digital coupon that will work for all of them. So I just listed here Ajax. You're going to grab one at $1.99. Use that 50-cent digital. Final cost is just $1.49. So great, great deal there to stock up. L'Oreal Hair Care, the same deal, same price point is happening at CVS as well next week. So whichever one you want to grab, or if you want to stock up on it a ton and get it at both stores, of course you definitely can. I will certainly be doing that. So L'Oreal Hair Care is 2 for $8. We have a $2 off 2 Walgreens IVC coupon. So that is going to, there is a digital coupon. There's also one in that Walgreens book of savings. So whichever way you want to do it is fine. We're also getting a 3 off of 2 manufacturer digital coupon. So both of them will work. You'll wind up paying $3 for both or just $1.50 each. This will track towards Walgreens Beauty as well. Suave Hair Care is going to be just 2 for $5. So what you can do is grab 2 of the Suave Men, for example, because those are usually the larger bottles, so it's more bang for your buck. Use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Final cost is $2 for 2. Now, I did post in my CVS Must Do Deals video, there is a reset on the checkout 51 rebate for the Suave Professionals for $2 back. So if that's included, it should be. Then you can submit to checkout 51. It is a limit of 1. So you can either do it at CVS, do it at Walmart, do it at Walgreens, whichever. Then your final cost for both would wind up being completely free, which is amazing. Revlon. I love Revlon lipstick, and I use their like eye pencils, eyeliners all the time. So they're going to be on sale again. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward, and Almay is included. So sometimes at the Catalina, you will get like a $5 off 2 coupon for Revlon or for Almay. I haven't had one in a little while, but I'm really hoping that one of them kind of pops up again because that would be amazing. We do have $2 off Revlon eye coupons from last Sunday's Retail Me Not insert. It does exclude the Kiss Balm. So what I found online, the prices online do vary, so just keep that in mind. Either ask them to price match, or of course you can just adjust your pricing. It doesn't show me what the price is in store, so it made that one a little difficult. But the Revlon eye pencils is showing $5.99 online. You can use 2 of the Revlon eye coupons. I believe it's a limit of 2. You'll pay $7.98, get back a $5 register reward, making it $2.98 for both or $1.49 each. This also, again, will, of course, track towards Walgreens Beauty. So every $50 you spend, you will get 5,000 points. We do have a Walgreens Beauty event coming up in August as well. It's around August 20th, I believe. I did post it on my Instagram when I found out about it, so stay tuned on my channel. You guys know I will keep you updated with it. I will post more information on my Instagram as I have it, and you guys know I will, of course, be doing multiple Walgreens Beauty event hauls because that is how we stock up on tons and tons of points. This deal I'm super excited about, and fingers crossed we'll get some really good digital coupons. So sometimes, just like in my second Walgreens haul from today, we'll get a $4 off 2 coupon, or in the past, we've gotten an $8 off of 4 coupon for Olay or Old Spice body wash. So fingers crossed they'll give us some more hot coupons. If not, this is another way that you can do it regardless. So they're on sale 2 for $12, so that'll save you about $1.50 for 2 as well. And when you buy 4, you're going to get back 10,000 points. So what you can do is grab 2 of the Olay and 2 of the Old Spice. That'll bring your total to $24. You can use 2 of the $1 off Olay coupons. I checked online, it is a limit of 2. Those came in the August PG insert. There may be a digital as well. We'll have to wait on Sunday and see. There is also a $1 off 2 for the Old Spice from the August PG as well. So you will pay $21, get back 10,000 points, which is the equivalent to $10, making your final cost $11 for 4 or $2.75 each. Now, another thing you can do if you have any digital boosters or paper boosters or anything for like a spend 20, get 5,000 points, you of course can use that with this deal. Pay with register rewards out of pocket, and then you will get back an additional 5,000 points, which would make this deal even better. So that is always an option for you guys. And if you wanted this in a separate transaction to track towards that 8 purchase spend booster, you can do that as well. Make sure, again, you pay with register rewards or and cash, of course. Don't pay with points. So some of you guys do ask me, I heard that you can pay with points when you're doing a spend deal. Yes, there is a way. I usually don't explain it too much because for newbies, it gets kind of confusing. But just real quick, like today in that spend 20, get 5,000 point booster, you have to spend $20 with register rewards and cash. So if your total winds up being $24.25 before taxes, before any manufacturer coupons, you can use 4,000 points because then your total is still $20.25. Then your manufacturer coupons come off, then your register rewards, and you pay the rest in cash. Then you would still get the points back. So hopefully that doesn't confuse anyone. I know I have a ton of new couponers and newbies to Walgreens that watch my channel and watch my videos. So that's why I usually don't kind of explain that too much. It took me forever to kind of figure it out and wrap my head around it as well. So I just started doing it that way. I did that today in my second Walgreens haul when I combined the spend 30 and the spend 20 boosters. So if you want another explanation on that, head over to that video and you can check it out. And you can see, of course, if you are one of the winners. If you have any other questions, just drop a comment, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.